If you struggle with curling your wigs to perfection and it either takes too long or the individual curls never look the same, then you need to start curling your wigs like this. Through my own experience, I believe this is the perfect method for beginners to curl their wigs. So due to the size of the barrel, you can save time and the curls come out more uniform, unlike the traditional curling rods, which require one to work in individual or smaller sections. Yep, it's a crimping iron, folks. But I'm really sorry if you thought this was a new gadget or technique, but it's simply creating crimp curls. Starting at the back, work in sections of at most 2 tracks. So you're gonna slide the hair through the tongs and press down for a few seconds, then move down the hair until the whole section is curled. But I will say only apply hairspray after curling, not before, otherwise your curls will come out looking stiff like this, and you don't want that. You want volume, you want bouncy curls. The rest of the tutorial is pretty much the same repetitive steps. You're gonna section your hair, slide the hair through the tongs, press down for a few seconds, then move down that section of hair. Then you're gonna repeat until the entire wig is complete. Easy, right? So if you want to see a quick way to achieve wand curls on a synthetic wig, make sure to tap or click on this video over here, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.